Kumba de kispangut kisamla puli ke Ri-Bhoi College kilayok jimentoi ha ke program bala Pynlong dak L. Institute halor ke phang Career Guidance and Motivational Session. Ya ketika program la Pynlong ha ke khatsau trik unok pra ha Ri-Bhoi College hanong po bala kershan lang ya ke L. Institute dak Department of Education na ketika college. Ya ketika program kala long ru kum shibenta ke jing rakhi ya ke jing dap san post nam ke jela bat ki bala long ru ke jing kerku chi ki samla pule ta ke jing kran selok na ki rang ba ki bala a jing kran ki ba kentup ya u Reverend BB Khamdaj ha ka motivation bat u Dr. AW Rani Assistant Professor ke Senior College Shillong ha ka Career and Guidance.
Long chana kani ke jingla ni long perfect re ke jingla ni ke ban sok ko ni ke way but om dong kanu ko wong view ka bala ban ya ban persya ke way baka ta long baka jingit love baka ta forgiveness ka jingma baka ta ka jing ia grace baka ni ndu tang ka way ke chana baka ta long haudong ka way kita kan kubur mak lembaga dengan khidmat bal unium day ubalasan balamat ni kecuma tengah rak yang kan tolong udai liberate ni data liberate kita mindset kecumi James Jacob Montoya tu dalam nombor nak jom di benar ni satu panel way ai tu je baru tak pe Pio pimana ke Pakistan ni mau Solomon upali ke Pakistan tu yo dan besok kalau ke besok komik kalau tu Solomon kita kayak mau bakalan Solomon bakalan uang nama baupan yang Pakistan dan Bishar yang diwe uklat baupan yang Pakistan dan Bishar yang lagi kata kata kabagi ju penduk di sini aku mikir sama kata kata jumlah kabagi im judgmental attitude judge others we pay way kena jitu way kejimut tengah menang judge on positive side ini betul hak roy kampar ibu Allah mentai pada berkat dia we don't believe in this ini we will believe in our potentiality we don't believe in our strength ni pet ni syar ni kuat Allah bilang padahal kita kecili berkat pun nama untuk yang proses semua dia proses ni result ni consequence kalau kita berkata dia nama kata ni semua usaha yang matang sedap pemuji suara liberate ini baru hip-hop kirang ke sini kita bakalan ke sini ban ai kita gaya buat liberate ini ban ai prio ini kita semua dengan lang dia kita start apa kata kita start apa pemublai dan ada sedang ikut why kita start Solomon berempat dan hanya bertaruh ini kita biblical story kebiasaan tu ini mentah pilih kita kita general knowledge kali who is the wisest man of all in humanity era ini new yang dijawab itu Solomon berani Solomon wengkan upah kita start launai ini sekarang hirup upah kita start launai tambah deh upah kita start tambah bisyari
the certificate conferred by these universities are very much recognized by law, and they in fact follow all the UGC norms also. Whether they fulfill 100% or not, that is a different issue, but they are all legal universities and genuine. That is in the context of law. Now, if you pursue PG programs in these private colleges, the thing is that there is a little bit problem because the fee structure is a little bit high. It's high basically because they don't have funding from any other agency. They have to fund, they are basically autonomous universities, they have to pay their own teachers, and how to meet the requirements of the university, they have to collect the fees, high fees from the students. That is very clear. The second type of universities that you can pursue your PG program is in central universities. Central universities means established by the government of India through the Act of Parliament, okay, like in the case of Northeastern University, established by the Nehru Act 1973. So right from 1973, we have got the Northeastern University, and of course it is located in Shillong for many years. Then it is now, in proper Shillong, but now shifted to Nehu campus, permanent campus there in Meghalaya ASHA. That we know. Now, when we talk about pursuing MA program or PG program in central universities, we should not confine only to Nehu. We should not confine only to Nehu. There are many central universities across the northeastern region and across the country. We have in India not less than 400 universities across the country. And so therefore, when we talk about admission in central universities, please keep in mind that you should also apply in other universities. Since now you are already in BA first semester, you have plenty of time to think about it. And by the time you go for your 5th semester, you are enrolled in the 6th semester, you should start applying. Because other universities is not like Nehu, their admission notice is much earlier than what Nehu used to give. So therefore you have to be alert, you have to check the websites of the different universities because it will not come in a newspaper. So you have to check the different websites. Just type in the Google admission notice for PG program in so-so subject or so-so discipline. Then so many universities will appear there and you can check and you can see. If you are not sure about it, you can always talk to your teachers or your friends or your family members at home who may know better and you can explore.